Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from third group. We will explain about the production of English sound, vowel and diphthong. What is a vowel? Vowel are sonori syllabus sound made with the vocal threads more open than it is for consonant or clit. Simple vocal during articulation show no noticeable change in quality. So, vowel are speech sound produced by vibrating vocal cords and an infinity continuous flow of air coming out of the mouth. Daly and Poem 2015. The vowels of cat, pit, bat, dog, and put are all example vowels. The next is how the production of English vowel. The first is unlike consonant, a vowel sound is produced with an open passage of air in the mouth. Vowel sounds are articulate with relatively free air flow. 2. All vowels are voiced. 3. The shape of the mouth from a cavity area or a tube-shaped cavity. The thought influences the shape through which the air must pass. Therefore, there are 13 single vowels. The next will be explained by Sister Visa.
Okay, for the next slide is the diagram of English vowel. You can look in the vowel. There's three parts of the structure of mouth and tongue. You can see in the top of the diagram where the voice of E, the little long, the closer for the mouth of E. For the example is pit. So for the second is E, the short. You can say bit for the shortest one. For the third, you can say it in the back of the open close, that oo. In the word put, and the short one is o. You can find in the word book. So we're going to the middle mode, that in the middle of three part of the vowels structures, there are 8. You can see in it, and the central one in the middle of the tongue, that a bit. You can say in word bat. So the short one is in the center of the middle tongue, that said so you can, in the back middle tongue is the o. In the word pot. So diameter of the structure in the vowels diagram, you will see in the word bed or about, and we go into the middle of the open of the bag, and the mouth is bad, or you can say in up, and the back of the open mouth is o. You can see in the word to, and the last is o. The shortest one is the back open. You can find in the word what. We continue for the next explainer.
Okay, the next one is about diphthong. What is a diphthong? Diphthong is a vowel sound which the tongue changes position to produce the sound of two vowels. Or diphthong is a single sound produced when two vowels are paired together in sequence. There are 8 diphthongs. So the next slide is about the example of diphthong. The first is E, combined by E and A. E and A for the example is beer, beer, fear, fear. And the second one is A, A. For the example is cheer, cheer, steer, steer. And then the third is O, O. For the example is store, store, pour, pour. And then the fourth is A. Using for example is say, say, wait, wait. And then the last is pay, pay. And then the fifth.
Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you next time.